Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Kada. Xiaomi has rolled out yet another update for the Mi A1 devices. In this video, let's check out what we have in this update. Okay guys, to get started, Xiaomi has rolled out another OTA update for the Mi A1 devices. As soon as I got the pop-up, I was thinking that it should be Android 8.1. So when I saw the update size, I understood that it is just another OTA update and they are still fooling us with Android 8.0. So let's check out what we have in this update anyways. So anyways, I have downloaded the update and installed it in my device. So as usual, there is no noticeable UI changes or no noticeable features that is introduced with the update. It is all the same. It is just another bug fix update with some security fix. So the Android security patch level is still May 5 and there is no change. So we could notice that it is just another bug fix update. So that's it. So if I check for another update, there is no 8.1 update available. Whereas in Redmi Note 5 Pro, they have already received the Oreo 8.1 update. So the only difference I see is the build version has changed. Now it is 9.5.13. Previously it was 9.5.11. So to check whether if there is any performance improvement, I ran the Geekbench and for the first time the multi-core score passed 4200. It was like previously 4172 and before that it was lying like 4166. For the first time it has gone past 4200. So maybe we will see some performance improvement. I don't know like if we can feel the change, but let's see. Let's hope that it will improve some of the performance. So other than that, there is no noticeable changes as I said earlier. So like initially they have promised that in May 25th or May 28th they will roll out the Android 8.1 update, but still we are left with Android 8.0. So anyways, we are still waiting for the 8.1 update. Hopefully they will roll out soon. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.